Alright guys, just do another quick video on general form. This should help you out with exercise, I think it's 12D, I believe, in your textbooks. So general form is another form of equation that you will see and you need to be able to handle that represents a straight line. And that's going to be ax plus by is equal to c. It's basically a rearrangement of the gradient intercept form we were doing just before, and you remove fractions by timesing it out. So, for example, here we have the gradient intercept form line we had in the gradient intercept video, 2 over 3 x, take 5. And I'm trying to show you here that general form is just a rearrangement of this, and fractions removed. So, general form, you need ax and by. You need x and y both on the same side. So right now you've got y and then x on the right hand side of the equation. I need to get on the left. So what's the opposite of adding 2/3 x? Well, it's taking 2/3 x. What do I need to do on the other side to balance the equation? Also take 2/3 x. So you'll end up with negative 2/3 x plus y, which we didn't touch, is equal to negative 5 is the only thing left on the right hand side. And then lastly, I've got a fraction here that I don't want, 2/3. You'll notice on the bottom is dividing by 3. So to get rid of the fraction, the thirds, or the dividing by 3, I need to times everything by 3, every single term. So here you can see times by 3, times by 3, times this by 3, and so negative 2/3 times by 3 is going to be negative 2 straight up, so it's going to be negative 2x. 3 times by y is going to be positive 3y, and then 3 times by negative 5 is going to be negative 15, not negative 5. Alright, and that is this equation here, which was in gradient intercept form, in general form down here. So now, just like we showed with gradient intercept form how you draw a line on a Cartesian plane, you need to be able to draw the graph of a line given in general form ax plus by is equal to c. And that's pretty easy because you can get the intercept straight away. The y-intercept, wherever it crosses the y-axis, is where y is y when x is equal to 0. So you just need to substitute x being 0 into the equation and you'll know what y is once you've solved for that. The x-intercept is just the value of x when y is equal to 0, so you substitute y is equal to 0 and plot the point there where x and 0 is, and then join those two plotted points and extend the line in both directions like you did before. So basically you're going to get 2 points that are on both of the axes and you just need to join them. So I'll run through an example here. Get my little photo of a grid, put it there. And so we need to work out first, we need to do the maths, y-intercept, y-int calculations we're going to do first. Y-int is when x is equal to 0, so our equation is 2x plus y is equal to 6. Substitute x is equal to 0. 2 times by 0 is 0, plus y, so y is going to be 6. So our point we need to plot is going to be 0, 6. That's the first point. X-int is when y is equal to 0. So 2x plus y equals 6 is our equation of the line. Need to substitute in y is equal to 0. 2x plus 0 is equal to 6, so 2x is equal to 6. What's the opposite of timesing something by 2? Dividing by 2, so we need to divide both sides by 2. Bring that up here. X is going to be 6 divided by 2, 3. So the next point is going to be 3, 0. Alright, so there's our 2 points, so we need to make a grid that's going to fit that. We can start them both at 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 6 is in line with that. 7, 8, 9, 10. And so now our points are 0 and 6, and 3, 0. And so that is our line there. Again, I'm going to have trouble drawing this straight line because this app is not the best for that. See, it's not even on the grid. I don't know if it's going to be... Hopefully that's okay. Nope. There has to be a better way of doing this. I'm going to try and rule a line with a piece of paper, so bear with me. It's not going to be the best, but the best alternative that I can come up with right now. Ruling a line on an iPad screen. So, very slippery. The wiggliest line in the world. But that sort of should show you the process of that. So I've connected the 2 points that I plotted, and then you would be drawing arrowheads on either end to show that it's a line, because a line extends infinitely. Alright, so that is an example of how you would draw a graph of a line given in general form. Hopefully that helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.